I'm tired. Good morning. Welcome back to another vlog. Today's video, a day in my life. But I leave for Charleston literally tomorrow, so I have so much packing and like stuff I need to get done. I need to do my toes. I was gonna do my nails, like put on press on, but honestly, I don't care, so I'm not gonna do that. But I went and got coffee. When don't I get coffee? I need to go back in. I need to clean my apartment before I go, just that way I can come back and it not be a hot mess. I also still have not packed. Probably do like a hair mask, face mask, workout, because I don't really work out when on vacation, and that is okay. Sometimes if I'm able to fit it in, I will, but I am not one of those people that like stresses about it. I know there are some people who like find it really hard or like kind of feel bad if they don't work out while on vacation, and I just want to say, you're on vacation, enjoy your time. Please don't stress or feel like your progress is going to be hindered if you don't work out or don't eat the best on vacation. Like, enjoy that time, enjoy those memories and those meals, and that's just my motto. I love working out and I love fitness, but I'm gonna live my life, okay? If I can't work out or weightlift while I'm on vacation, that is completely fine. I'm not gonna sit here and stress making time for it. I wanna go out and be sightseeing. I wanna be at the beach. I wanna be at the pool. Like, I just think it's all about balance, and taking some time off is beneficial. Like, you might need some rest. So if you are going on vacation and you are stressing, like maybe, well, if I'm gonna be eating out, I'm gonna have to find something clean, or I need to find time to go to the gym, don't stress. Please don't. Please enjoy your time, and when you go to the restaurant, have some dessert. Like, enjoy it. That's just my little rant, because I know, like, I'm gonna work out today, and then I probably the whole time I'm there will not, and I'm not gonna feel bad about it. I'm not gonna stress, and I'm gonna eat me some crabs, some lobster rolls, any ice cream. Like, I don't care. I'm gonna enjoy my time. I also just got a package from AHA Selected. They sent me some stuff to review for you guys, so I'm gonna add that like mini haul slash review in this vlog. That way I can show you guys what I got and my honest opinion on them. So yeah, let's go into my apartment, do the little review, and then pack. Okay, so before we continue with the vlog, I want to show you guys what I got sent from AHA Selected. So they sent me some items to review for you guys. This video is sponsored, but as you guys know, I'm gonna give my honest opinion on if I like something, if I don't. I also have everything linked down below. So let's just get on into the little mini haul. Here is the Second Skin Medium Support Yoga Bra, size 4. It has removable cups. It's got this band right here. It fits really nice, like the shoulders fit me nicely. Size 4, and then I got the Second Skin high-rise leggings in size 4, color pink as well to match. Honestly, I don't want to compare it to Lululemon Lines, but the material is buttery soft, and the leggings have like a similar shape to Lululemon Lines. They're also 7/8 length, so like right above your ankle. They're really soft. They've got a gusset. I'm not having much like bunching in the fabric area, and honestly, they're pretty squat proof, because I'm wearing like a dark brown pair of underwear underneath, and like I feel like you can't see it. The waistband is similar to a Lines, to where it's like a double layered fabric. It is kind of like hugging, but I wouldn't really say it's like a thick compressive material. I mean, I definitely don't think I'll have to constantly pull it up, so I do like that. The back detail, it doesn't dip like a Lines, but it's got like, it goes straight. And then it's got a seam down here, which I like. I feel like it separates them, that way you don't get unibutt. These are a size small, and yeah, I really like the way they fit. I think they are flattering. I like this color. This sports bra is nice. It's got like a strappy back detail. Okay, I think they're squat proof. I will put on the screen if they are not. Next, I am wearing this white long line tank. It's got a built-in bra in it. The straps fit me amazing. This is, I want to say a 2 or a small. I'll have it on the screen also with the name so you can quickly snag. I love it. It's not the same type of material as like the Lululemon Align tank, but the style is spot on and it's so comfortable. I love the like how it goes into a V, so it's flattering. I love where it hits. I love how snug it is, and I just feel like this will go with literally everything. It's a lot cheaper than the Lululemon Align tanks, and it's like the perfect dupe. And then I got this tennis skirt. What size is this? Let me like yank the tag. This is a 6, so I definitely could have gone down to like a 4 just because it's a little roomy, but it's not to the point where I can't wear it. Like it still fits. It's got a nice like elastic band, so it's stretchy, so sizing is lenient. I feel like it hits at a good length. And then you have shorts on underneath with pockets. Again, this is like similar color to the leggings, like a pinky mauve. And then the back is like this pleated look, super cute. I don't really play tennis. Perfect for like going on walks in the spring and summer. I love this set. Next, I'm wearing some very unique leggings. I have never seen this before, but I'm honestly here for it. It's like these leggings that have a built-in jacket. So that way, like, if you need to hide. Yeah, I'm a fan. Or like people who maybe feel uncomfortable having like your backside exposed. It was a really good option. Yeah, you can like tie it, it can cinch in your waist. You can't take it off, so like just know that this is gonna be the look. Like you can't just wear it like without it, which I feel like you need anyways because I feel like these would be kind of sheer. Yeah, so I feel like you definitely need this, but I think it's cute. Like going on a walk, like such a pretty purple. And this is a 4. I have this in black, which I will show next, but that's in a 6. I prefer the 4. It's just a little bit more snug. And I love how you can tie it right here to cinch in the waist. I think it's so unique. The tie skirt. I can't tell, hold on. Oh my gosh, it has pockets. I did not know it had pockets. Oh, I like that. Okay, so it also has pockets. You can put your phone in there. Is this sheer? I guess it doesn't, okay, maybe a little bit, but it doesn't really matter because you have this covering you. It's, as you can tell, it's like a shiny, stretchy, slick material. Love this. It hits me, where does it hit me? Like right here. So yeah, if you are someone who normally ties a jacket around your waist, and I know for me when I do that, it's like always falling down or just getting loose and then just kind of awkwardly hanging there. Get this. It's literally a 2-in-1. You don't even have to worry about that. It's so cute. I feel like they have it in other colors. And then I got this super cute top. It's got removable cups. It's a higher neck. I would say this is medium to high impact. I love this color. You can wrap around the waist to kind of like cinch it. It's a long line. Looks like that. It's like a stretchy, slick material as well. This is a, I want to say okay, it's either a small or a 4. This is a size 4. I really like it. It's a long sleeve like top that has a built-in sports bra, so you don't even have to wear one. It's got this little keyhole detail. It's a pretty hot. I definitely feel like this is the type of material that will pill really easily. They're not my fave. They're really big, so I'm gonna have to keep pulling them up. No compression. They are soft. They're like a super buttery smooth material. Honestly, these might be softer than the pink ones. However, I just wish I would have sized down. It has a gusset, so no camel issues. Or squat proof is probably like a 7 out of 10. Also sent me this jewelry set. It's in this like red felt box. I didn't realize they did jewelry. It's got this gold necklace. I love gold accessories. It's a very minimal necklace, which I like. And then these really nice hoops that are like and then these rings. This one's a little too big for my taste, but I do like the little ones. Thank you so much, AHA, for sponsoring this video and sending me these items. Again, I'll have everything linked down below, and let's just continue with the vlog. I'm gonna go to the gym. just gonna go because this will be my last workout before vacation, but too much to do and I don't want to spend a long time there. I'm always there way too long, and honestly I just don't wanna. So I'm gonna do some like yoga at home, like a little beginner yoga video. I've never taken a yoga class before. I've never even attempted yoga on my own, so I'm assuming it's gonna be kind of like stretching. Like RDL hinge.
Playlist for more.
Should I go to the gym? I guess yoga's like relaxing and stretching. I don't know if I should go to the gym. I feel like that wasn't enough. Should I go to the gym? Because I don't feel like I got anything done. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna make some lunch. I just finished my yoga. I kinda wanna make like a chicken sandwich with sweet potato fries. That sounds amazing right now, so I think that's what I'm gonna make for lunch. One of these is, oh my gosh, it's only 9 grams of protein. This is only 9 grams. I for sure would have thought like a chicken patty would have been a lot more. That's annoying. And these are just sweet potato fries. Love, chef's kiss. Okay, so here's lunch. It's sweet potato fries and then a chicken patty with cheese. Looks delish. I'm so excited to eat this. I love air fryers. Okay, so I'm currently packing. I can't find any of my packing cubes, so I just have to like make it work. I've got my shorts. I'm not bringing any jeans just because I feel like it's gonna be warm. And then in here is like blow dryer, a mirror. I bring like a tiny mirror to do my makeup. I'm bringing my shower stuff, makeup brushes, all that stuff in here. And then clothes, and I'm gonna bring a separate bag for like shoes just because I'm bringing like these clunkier shoes, so I'll need somewhere separate for those. I'm not gonna like do a haul of everything I got. I'll just tell you guys where everything's from while I'm there and on the trip, because I already packed it and I don't feel like unpacking to show. So stay tuned for the OOTDs in my vlog. I've got so much I have to do before I leave for this trip. a few videos that I have to get done and approved by the brand, so I'm gonna edit for a little bit.
Into the place, a spot you from a ways. My heart, it started racing. The crowd across the way, flowers on your face, and then I'm from the 80s. Someone keeps blocking my way. I can't feel farther away. Wait on a moment to say that I want you. You know that I want you. Sudden gaze and time it started racing, but moments tend to fade and you're too far away from me to get my name in. Someone blocking my way. I can't keep further away. Wait on moment to say that I want you.
So I'm gonna watch some YouTube and then paint my toes. I'm not gonna do my fingernails just because I feel like it peels so quick and then it gets like stuck in my hair. So I'm just gonna do my toes. So yeah. Right, so here are my little toesies, my little toes. So now that that's done, I'm probably gonna do a hair mask and then shower, and that's gonna be all for the vlog. Thank you for watching.